Hi, my name's Laura Salazar. I'm an application engineer here at ASSA ABLOY. Today I'll be demonstrating how to do a factory reset on one of our ASSA ABLOY ACCENTRA nexTouch locks. First, you're going to remove the interior lever using your lever remover tool. Next, you're going to remove the battery cover. You're going to remove the two center batteries and remove the center screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. This will allow us to look at the back of the inside of the interior escutcheon and locate the white reset button. This is your white reset button. At this time, it's okay to enter the third battery only. Make sure all of your wire harnesses are properly connected. You can begin to press the white reset button. I will be using a screw to help me press in. And I'm going to enter the last battery. After 3 seconds, let go of the white reset button. 1, 2, 3. The unit will say factory reset complete.
Factory reset completed.
At this time, it's okay to reassemble the unit. I'm going to show you how to register your master code. You're going to wake up the lock using the back of your fingers or the palm of your hand.
Register master code. Press the gear key to continue.
We're going to press gear.
Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code. Press the gear key to continue.
I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 gear.
Registered. Completed.
And now my master code is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to show you if I enter our master code, followed by check mark, it will unlock the door. And that's how you do a factory reset on an ASSA ABLOY ACCENTRA nexTouch and register your master code. For further assistance, please give us a call at 1-800-810-9473 or contact us via email at support.aehg@assaabloy.com. Thank you.